Interested in crypto but not sure how to actually trade? There's a smarter way to start. It's called copy trading, and it's one of the simplest ways to get into crypto without any trading experience. I'll show you how it works, how to choose a strategy, and how to start on Margex right now. Hey, quick note, markets like this are not easy, and a lot of traders struggle here, so we've added a small bonus for our YouTube viewers only. You'll find the promo code in the description. So, what is copy trading? It means you don't trade manually. Instead, you follow a trader's strategy, and your account automatically copies their trades. If the trader makes a profit, you receive a share of that profit. If the trade is not successful, losses are also shared. On the platform, traders create strategies. You, as a follower, choose a strategy and allocate your funds to it. The trader opens and manages positions. You don't need to do anything manually. You can also follow multiple strategies to spread your risk. This is one of the core benefits of a copy trading platform. And traders only earn a success fee when the strategy is profitable. So the question, is copy trading profitable, really depends on which strategy you choose. Now, let's look at how copy trading works in practice, starting with choosing a strategy. Open the leaderboard. Here you see all available strategies on the platform. Start with the trader's equity. This shows how much of their own money is in the strategy. More skin in the game usually means more care. Next, strategy age. A longer history usually means more consistency. Then, ROE, or return on equity. But don't look at it alone. High returns over a short time can mean higher risk. Does copy trading work well here? Only if the strategy is stable. Open the strategy details. Here you can check performance history, and most importantly, follower tiers. This shows how profit is split between you and the trader. Usually, the larger your allocation, the higher your share of the profit. Here's how to start copy trading on Margex. Once you've chosen a strategy, click Follow. Select the amount you want to allocate. You can start from a relatively small amount, so the entry barrier is low. Confirm, and that's it. You are now following the strategy. In your portfolio, you can track all active strategies and performance. Profits are distributed automatically when trades are closed and during payout periods. Copy trading makes things simpler. But is copy trading legit as a strategy for beginners? Yes, but it does not remove risk. Markets can move quickly, especially during sharp drops or high volatility. Even experienced traders have losing periods. That's why it's important to start with smaller amounts, diversify across strategies, and monitor performance over time. Many users choose crypto copy trading because it removes the need to trade manually. You don't need to watch charts all day or make fast decisions under pressure. Instead, you follow a structured approach, which makes this one of the easiest ways to earn passive income with crypto for those who are just starting out. If you want to explore copy trading on Margex, the link is in the description. You can start small, test different strategies, and see how it works in practice. Subscribe for more videos on trading basics and smarter strategies.